In chapter 3163, Ainsley Gerard is once again confronted with the complexities of her life as a widow, mother, and businesswoman. After finishing a bowl of soup, she lovingly sends her son Zane to bed, ensuring he gets enough rest for school. As the little boy heads upstairs, Ainsley takes a deep breath and prepares to have a difficult conversation with her parents in law. She addresses the topic of remarriage with her in laws, acknowledging their concern for her and Zane's future. She admits that although she feels pressured to find a partner for her own well being and to protect her family's wealth, the options in their town of Wilspoon are limited. She mentions Duncan Lewis, the fourth young master of the prominent Lewis family, who is not only wealthy but also has a good character. However, she expresses a hesitation to pursue him because of his disfigurement, a result of a car accident that left him disabled and in a wheelchair. Despite his physical challenges, Duncan is still highly regarded in the business world, and his personal wealth exceeds that of Ainsley's own family. Her mother in law immediately objects to the idea, pointing out Duncan's disabilities and the fact that he is already emotionally invested in someone else, Liberty. She explains that Duncan had once been in love with Liberty, and after the car accident, his feelings for her were solidified. Ainsley's potential pursuit of Duncan would not only make her appear as a third party in someone else's relationship, but it could also damage the reputation of her family and their business. Her in laws are particularly concerned about the negative impact on their company's public image if she were to become involved with Duncan, especially since he is physically compromised. However, she is persistent in her desire to find a suitable partner. She acknowledges that other men might be interested in her, but she has no trust in them, as most of them are simply seeking to gain access to her wealth. She also expresses the difficulties she faces as a widow with a child, which makes it harder for her to find a man willing to accept her. She admits that society still holds prejudices against widows with children, and it is often easier for women with daughters to remarry than those with sons. Despite her professional success, she is still viewed through the lens of societal expectations, and her status as a widow with a son makes her more vulnerable to judgment and rejection. She feels trapped between her desire for companionship and the societal stigma surrounding her situation. She is left disillusioned by the men who approach her, many of whom are only interested in her for her wealth. Her reputation is also under constant attack, with rumors swirling about her private life. Some claim that she has kept multiple lovers, while others suggest that she is responsible for her husband's untimely death. These rumors only add to the emotional burden she already carries, and she strives to navigate the complexities of widowhood, motherhood, and the pursuit of love in a judgmental society.